Hi students, good morning everyone. Stay home, stay safe. Today we start a new topic again, division of algebraic expression, session 18. Already we know the exponents and power rules in first lesson. The same rules applicable now. So example, write your subject note also, division of algebraic expression. So what is the formula of that? Means exponents and powers division formula I already informed. A power m by a power n equal a power m minus n. For example, 10 power p power 4 divide 2p cube. How to write in expansion of power? 10 p power 4 expansion p multiply 4 times you write p multiply p multiply p multiply p by 2 p how many times? 3 times. So p multiply p multiply p. So 3 times 3p cancel, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are, the answer is 5p. This is normally we divide. Or another one formula, 10 power p power 4 by 2p cube. So 2 1 2s are 2, 5 p power how? 5 power p 4 minus 3 5 p power 1 commonly 5p. So this is the common division. So now we go to example sum 3.6. Value pastes 4xy picture of 1 pages of his scrapbook. How many pages will he need to paste 10x square y cube pictures? X are positive integers. So solution, what you need? Total number of pictures equal 100x square y cube. So pictures in one page equal how much? 4xy. This question page number 83. And next, what is asking? Total number of pages needed. So how many pages? So total pictures 100x square y cube. Picture of one page 4xy equal, so 100x square y cube by 4xy. 1 4s are 4, 25 4s are 100. So 25, x power down for 1 only up to, so x power 2 minus 1, y power 3 minus 1. So 25 xy square pages. This is the answer. Next we go to again example 3.7, division separately division. One commonly, one coming, one term, that means monomial term or the other term, separately divide for monomial. So divide 5y cube minus 25y square plus 8y by 5y. By means divide symbol. Solution, so 5y cube minus 25y square plus 8y by 5y equal, separately segregate. So first to write 5y cube by 5y minus 25y square by 5y plus 8y by 5y. This common division coming, so separately we segregate. So first 5 cancel, y power 1 y power 3 minus 1 2. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, y power 2 power 1. So 8y by 5y, y commonly cancel. So remaining value y square minus 5y plus 8 by 5. This is the answer for separate division, algebraic division. And we go to now exercise 3.2 sums. First one is filling the blanks. So first one, what is the coming? Exercise 3.2, page number 85. This is the first question. So how to solution for filling the blanks? So first one, 18m power 4 dash by 2m cube n cube equal dash m n power 5. So here some dash coming, know that what answer will go, will try. So 9, 18 and 9 constant value, 1 2s are 2, 9 times are 18. So that constant value, what number coming, 9 only. So 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are, so 9 remaining. Here m only, so m power 4 minus m power 3, m only common. Here answer is n power 5, but division is n power 3. So add the value, down put means add the value, divide change it to multiply, multiply means add the value. So 5 plus 3, so n power 8, this is the answer, n power 8. And second one, L power 4 m power 5 n power dash by 2 L power m power dash n power 6 equal L cube m square n by 2. Here commonly 2 to only, no problem. L value also no problem. M value up in 5, but here for answer is 2. So what, 5 minus 2 equal 3. So m power 3. Here n power 1 only coming, down for n power 6. For 6 n power 1, 6 plus 1 equal 7. So n power 7. So answer commonly coming 2. Third one, 42 a power 4 b power 5 dash by 6 a power 4 b2 equal dash b cube b power, no answer, c2. So 6 ones are 6, you write the answer. 42, first cancellation the constant value. So 1 6 are 6, 7 times. So 7 a power 4 b, 7 is constant value. Here a power 4 cancel, no problem. B power 5 b power 2, so 5 minus 2 equal 3. Here c power 2 is answer coming, so directly write c power 2. And second one, say the true or false. So first one, 8x cube y divide 4x square equal 2xy. This is true or false. How to calculate? So 8x cube y by 4x square equal to 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 x power 2, so 3 minus 1, 1 power only 1. So remaining value 2xy. So this is true, the answer. Second one, 7ab cube divide 14ab equal 2b square. So 7ab cube by 14ab equal 1 7 7 2, 1a b power 1 and b power 2. So b square by 2 equal, the answer is false. But answer coming 2b square, but we solution the value b square by 2, so false. So third one, very easily how to divide separately. So divide first one, 27y cube by 3y. So 27y cube by 3y, constant first cancellation for 1 3s are 3, 9 3s are 27, y power 1, 3 minus 1, so 2 only power, so 9y square. So powers subtract only. Second one, x cube y square by x square y. So x cube y square by x square y. Here 2x power 2, that x power 3, so 1 coming, y power the same manner 1, so xy. Third one, 45 x cube y square z power 4 by minus 15 xyz. Here sign value first you take, so plus and minus, plus into minus, the answer is minus only coming. So first 1 15s are 15, 3 times 45, 1 x are x and 2 times 1 y power 1 time z1 3 times. So here plus into minus minus, minus 3 x power 2 y z power 3. Fourth one, 3xy whole power 2 by 9xy. So whole power 2 means separately you write the powers. So 3 square x square y square by 9xy equal 9x square y square by 9xy. So 1 9s are 9, same 9 9 cancel. Here 1 power, that one 2 power, so 1 1 subtract. So x and y is the answer. Next, fourth Roman, simplify the value. So very easily 3m square by m plus 2m power 4 by m cube. So first one 3m down for 1 power only. So 3m power 2 minus 1 plus 2m power 4 minus 3. So answer 3m power 1 commonly 3m plus 2m power 1 plus 2m equal 5m. 3 plus 2 5m. And second one the same 14p power 5 cube 3 by 2p square cube minus 12p cube by cube power 4 by 3 square, page number 85. So here you see cancellation very easy. 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14. Here 2 times, that one is 5 times. So remaining 5 minus 2, answer is 3. So p 7p 5 minus 2 q 3 minus 1 minus 4 p cube 4 how 1 3 are 3 4 3 are 12 4 p cube q 4 minus 2. So 7p cube q square minus 4p cube q square equal 7 minus 4 3p cube q square. Next we start in fifth Roman. Already example 3.7 what we teach the same manner, separately. So 32y square minus 8yz by 2y. So 32y square minus 8yz by 2y equal 32y square by 2y minus 8yz by 2y. Here 1 2s are 2, 16 times. So 1 2 power 1. So 16y minus 1 2s are 2, 4, 1y common. So minus 4z. Second one 4m square n cube plus 16m power 4 n square minus mn by 2mn. So 4m square n cube plus 16m power 4 n square minus mn by 2mn equal. So 4m square n cube by 2mn plus 16m power 4 n square by 2m power n mn minus mn by 2mn. So 1 1 separately, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 1 1 power only down coming. So subtract 1, here 2. So 2mn square plus 1 2s are 2, 8 times, 1 power 1m 3 times. So n also 1 times. So m cube n minus mn cancel, remaining 1 by 2. So this is the second one answer. Third one 5xy square minus 18x square y cube plus 6xy by divide 6xy. So the same manner write separately 5xy square minus 18x square y cube plus 6xy. So 5xy square minus 6y square 18x square y cube plus 6xy by 6xy. So here x cancel and y power 2 minus 1 1 only coming. So 5 by 6y and 1 6 are 3 3 times, 1 x are 1 times, 1 2 times. So 3xy square plus 6xy common, so answer is 1. Next fourth one separately 81 p power 4 q square r cube plus 2 p cube q cube r square minus 5 p square q square r square by 3 p q r whole power 2. So write the value 81 p power 4 q square r cube plus 2 p cube q cube r square minus 5 p square q square r square by 3p q r whole square. So equal, so the 81 is commonly coming, so multiply the value 81 p power 4 q square r cube plus second one, first one finish, first one second one, 81 multiply 2 multiply p cube q cube r square minus 81 multiply 5 p square q square r square divided 3 power means 3 to 3 square 9 9 p square q square r square. So here separately you write the value 81 p power 2 q power 2 r power 3 by 9 p power 2 q power 2 r power 2 plus 81 multiply 2 p power cube q power cube r square by 9 p power 2 q power 2 r power 2 minus 81 multiply 5 p power square q square r square by q p square q square r square. So cancellation now, 1 9s are 9, 9 9s are 81, and here power commonly 2 coming, so reduce the value 2 4 minus 2 2 2 2 cancel, r power 3 minus 2 1, so 9 p square r plus 9 9s are 81, so cancel, 1 9s are 9, 9 9s are 9 2s are 18, here p power 2 and p power 1 and q square q to 1 and p square r square r square, so 18 pq minus 9 commonly coming, so p square cancel, q square r square, so 9 pi's are 45 minus 45. And next, sixth Roman, identify the errors and correct them. Here came on some equations, but answer is some errors coming. Then how you check and write the value. So first one, 7y square minus y square plus 3y square equals to 10y square. This is answer is correct or wrong, we check. So 7y square minus y square plus 3y square equal 7 minus 1. Commonly we take the value 7 minus 1 plus 3 bracket y square equal to 7 minus 1 6, 6 plus 3, so y square, answer is 9y square, so 10y square is error. Second one, 6xy plus 3xy equal 9x square y square. Very easily 6xy plus 3xy we know 9xy, so no power coming, so 9x square y square is error. Third one, m 4m minus 3 equal 4m square minus 3. Here directly multiply, so first one multiply means 4m square minus first one is second one multiply means minus 3m, so 4m square minus 3m. Fourth one, 4n square minus 2n plus 3 equal 4n square minus 2n plus 3 coming. Here square coming, no, so the answer is definitely changing. So 4n square minus 2n plus 3, right, for separately power 4 square n square minus 2n plus 3, 4 square 16 n square minus 2n plus 3. Fifth one, x minus 2 and x plus 3 equal to x square minus 6. This is separately coming, so first one multiply, first one second one multiply, second one first one multiply, second one multiply. So what error coming, we check. So first one second one, second one first one, second one, so x square plus 3x, second one multiply x minus 2x, sorry minus 6 3 2s are minus 6, so x square 3x minus 2x 1x minus 6. And sixth one, minus 3p square plus 4p minus 7. So minus 3p square plus 4p minus 7 coming. Commonly minus will taken means first one minus changing means minus into minus 3p square changing the symbol minus 4p plus 7. And next we go to next seventh one. Statement A, if 24p square q is divided by 3pq, then the quotient is 8b. Statement B also, simplification 5x plus 5 by 5 is 5x. This one, which one is right, which one is wrong, that only asking. So first you write statement A equal 24p square q divided by 3p cube, quotient in 8b, that means the value is 8b. Statement B, 5x plus 5 by 5 is, the quotient value is 5x. How this is correct or wrong, we check. So first one, statement A, (24p square q by 3pq). 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 1p, 1 times q 1 times, so 8p. So 8p is correct answer, so this is true. And statement B, 5x plus 5 by 5, this one separately divide the value. So 5x plus 5 by 5 equal 5x by 5 plus 5 by 5. So here 5 cancel, so remain 5 cancel means x plus commonly cancel means 1. So B is definitely false. So A is true but B is false. This is the answer. That means answer is second option. A is true but B is false. And eighth one, the same, next question, eighth one, the same two statement gave. Statement A equal 4x square plus 3x minus 2 equal 2, commonly we taken 2x square plus 3x by 2 minus 1. Statement B, 2m minus 5 minus of 5 minus 2m. So 2m minus 5 plus 2m minus 5. Then which one is correct or wrong, that only asking the answer. So statement A, 4x square plus 3x minus 2. Here commonly take the value, divide, that means 2 separately we take. So equal 2 bracket divided 2, this one also divided 2, that one also commonly multiply denominator, numerator same value divided means, so multiply 2, 2x square plus, here divide means 3 by 2x, that means 3x, so by 2 minus 2 to cancellation, so answer is 1. So this is answer is true. Second one statement, 2m minus 5 minus of 5 minus 2m. So minus we multiply the value, 2m minus 5 bracket minus of minus 5 plus minus into minus plus 2m. So change the order, 2m minus 5 plus 2m minus 5. So this answer is true. So this statement both A and B are true only. The answer is, I think first A, both A and B is true. So today class is over. Your homework exercise 3.2 exercise sums and example sums write in your subject note properly. Write Once again, today class is over. Thank you students. Thank you all, everyone. If you doubt means you will ask, I will explain again. 3 more times you see the videos. Thank you.